The world feels colder without you here. Every step I take, I feel the fear. I try to breathe, but it's so hard.
Today, Yasin will go shopping because he received an idea from Tita Jingsky EAV last Idol Fitr celebration. It is the festival of breaking the fast, a major Islamic holiday marking the end of the month-long dawn to sunset fasting of Ramadan, celebrated on the first day of Shawwal. It involves prayers, fasting, charity, and wearing new clothes. And of course, I will give you a brief info about IDEA along the way. And here we are. But before that, I will give you a brief info about IDEA. Idea is a traditional gift, usually cash, given by adults to children and family members during Islamic holidays such as Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. It symbolizes affection and blessing aimed at bringing joy to children who use it to buy toys or treats. Children often excitedly collect their idea to purchase toys, sweets, or save it. Idea is not mandatory but a cultural practice of generosity. You want that one? This one, the car. Ah, you want this one? Okay, we will buy that one. Okay, this one? Okay, buy this one. Oh, yeah, what else? What else you want? Huh? You like that? This one, we will buy this one. This. That one. Yeah? Ah, we will buy this one, okay? Okay, wait. You want that one also? Huh? You want that? Yeah? Happy? Hindi mapakali. Yun talaga yung gusto niya. Wala na. Ayan na. Hindi na makapag-antay. Oh. Wala na. Nilaro na niya. Ayan na. Hindi makapag-antay. Oh. Ayun na.
Nakadalang ni ma'am or
Oo.
ginaan nag-assist.
Okay lang. Ayan. Salamat. Ayan na. Oh. Hindi makapag-antay. Tinanggal na sa balot. Sumakay na yan siya. Sasakay na yan. Ayan na. Yan yung car niya. Ayan na. Diba? Saan niya papunta? Oh. How to open this one? Here. Oh. Hindi magkapag-antay yung nakahubad na. Ayan na. Masaya na siya sa bus niya. Yan. Thank you, Tita Jingsky, sa iyong gift kay Yasin. Ayan, masaya siya sa kanyang bus. Siya ang namili niyan eh. Ayan. Yun nga lang. Nakahubad na.
Mama? Oh no, it's wet. Oh no, it's wet.
Ano? What's going on?
Hey,
Hey! What's that hey?
oh no, what? What's that?
What happened? Yasin,
Oh no, no, what's that?
what happened?
Wait.
Wait.
My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the